So our topic is shopping. Okay. My first question is that how often do you go shopping?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
First of all, thanks you to give me an opportunity to into my today's topic is shopping, and you ask me how do you feel.
How often do you go shopping?
Actually, I go to a shopping every day to buy something from the supermarket and
Yes.
or market.
It is better if you say I go shopping every day or every week. I go shopping. I go to shopping. No. Okay. I go shopping.
I go shopping every day to
Yes,
buy
brother.
some vegetable and fruits
Okay.
for
Vegetables and fruits.
my family. And if I also use online shopping to buy an electronic equipment.
Do you like shopping on the internet?
Yes, I must like it.
I must like it.
I have like it.
I like it. I like it. Yes. Yes. Yes.
And actually I bought
I bought.
so many things from the online, like earphones, mobile phones, laptops, and so on.
Right. Right.
And the price of these is very cheap as compared to offline shopping.
Okay. Do you prefer online shopping or offline shopping, and why?
Online shopping for electronics equipment, but I prefer offline shopping for the vegetables, foods, and the medicine and clothes.
Okay. Brother, do you go for window shopping? If yes, why? If no, why not?
Not go for a window shopping because don't have much time for go to a window shopping,
Okay.
and I'm very busy with my daily routine.
Okay. When was the last time you bought a product from online or you place an order online?
Uh, I bought for I bought earphones from the online shopping Amazon
Right.
for myself in month of Feb.
In the month of Feb. It is better if you say in the month of February. And one more thing, uh, the word we pronounce Amazon, not Amazon. And one more, what did you say? I forgot. Which is not bought. We say bought. Bought. Okay, bro? You're doing good, mashallah. Do people generally prefer to buy product from their own country or from other countries?
If someone want to buy iPhones
If
or
someone wants to buy,
uh, iPhones or Apple phones, then they preferred other country
okay.
because the iPhone price of India is very high.
Okay. It is kind of funny questions. Let me ask. Do you agree or disagree that women spend more time shopping than men?
Yes, I
You need to elaborate this point. Yes. Why do you think this? Yes.
why
You can say some, let's say, example. You can relate some example in the past. You might have seen your sister.
actually women are very excited about the shopping, and they get so actually I don't actually they love the shoppings, and they love to spend more time in shopping and bargaining with the buyer, with the seller.
See here mentioned that I would definitely say yes because I have experienced this thing. Women usually spend time bargaining with the person, and they are very selective in nature. They do not usually convince by a shopkeeper. They usually not argue. I would say they politely ask and try to select the one which item they are going to take. So this happened all the time. It's good. Why do you think, brother? Some people purchase things that they do not need. You might have seen, right? Some people purchase some things which they don't need actually. Let's say I have this smartphone, right? And some people they buy three smartphones or four smartphones. Some of them buy two smartphones, but actually they don't need it. But why the hell do they buy these smartphones?
Show of the world how much I have money.
Right? To maintain their status and all, right? Okay. Could you describe any story like you went to a shop and you bought something and you still remember about the past what exactly happened and you had any experience in the past? Do you have any experience?
Actually, I bought this who which is I wear yesterday. I
Right.
bought it from online shopping on price of rupees 500.
Okay.
But after the first wash, the color was faded away, and that's my mistake to buy something from the online shopping.
Okay. Right. Right.
That's why I prefer offline shopping to buy any clothes.
Okay. So, brother, brother Noman, you need to work hard on like elaboration. You need to explain like clearly. Whatever you say right now, it's absolutely fine. You are great, but you need to justify your answer. For example, okay, this is my opinion, this is my stand, and this is why what I think. These are my reasons. Okay, you are good at speaking English, but you are not good at describing properly, like in vivid details. Okay, so we need to work on that. And some pronunciation like Amazon and vegetables, not vegetable, we say vegetables, not bout, we say bought, for example. So some words we need to work on it, and inshallah you need to work on vocabulary also. We need to, we together we need to expand our vocabulary, inshallah.